Chat is made private ना? अभी मैंने किया था. Are you able to message to others?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, I made it private. Fine. So nitration of benzene. Last example कौन सा दिया था मैंने उसमें?
In absence of H2SO.
Okay, okay, fine. वो नाइट्रिक एसिड का ना, नाइट्रिक एसिड का ऑटो प्रोटॉलिसिस.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम ये वही टॉपिक के अंदर है ना?
हाँ, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन ही है.
ओके मैम.
So now I'm giving you these 6 compounds. Arrange these 6 compounds towards the ease of nitration. Most easily जो react करेगा, that you give me first. So give me the rate towards nitration. Nitration is which type of reaction? Nitration of benzene.
Electrophilic substitution.
Electrophilic.
So can I say I'm going to add NO2 plus to each of these?
Yes, ma'am.
So my question to you is, you have to give me the most reactive molecule first. In nitration, what is the electrophile generated?
HSO4 minus.
NO2 plus is the
NO2
electrophile,
positive.
correct? Yes, nitronium
Yes.
ion. So nitronium ion will attack which of this molecule the fastest?
Ma'am, Cl.
No.
CHO.
CH.
OH.
Why is phenol going to be the most reactive?
Because plus R effect. The
Yes. Can I say oxygen ka plus R dominates over the minus I?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Can I say this ring is going to be activated because of the electron density going from oxygen to the carbon atoms here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
one is going to be the most reactive. Uske baad?
Ma'am, 6.
No.
4.
Yes. How will this activate the ring?
Plus.
Plus R.
I.
Plus I तो है और साथ क्या है? साथ में क्या है?
Hyperconjugation.
Hyperconjugation.
Yes, hyperconjugation. Yes. उसके बाद?
2.
Second.
Yes.
6.
3.
6.
6. 5.
5.
You're going to use the table which I had given you earlier.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
table?
Order of.
Order of plus or minus R of GOC.
हाँ, decreasing activation का एक table दिया है मैंने, याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That
So
long
that
table.
table is to be
Ma'am.
used for solving such questions. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
GOC can help in all chapters.
Of course. Okay. Okay. इसमें मैंने अगर नाइट्रेशन किया तो नाइट्रो ग्रुप कौन से पोजीशन पे आएगा? Which position with respect to OH?
Ortho and para.
Ortho and para.
On
Yes.
para.
Because OH is ortho para directing for electrophilic substitution. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can I say the oxygen will increase the electron density on ortho and para position by resonance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें तो कहीं पे भी जाए it won't matter. एक ही product आएगा. For this, where will the electrophile enter?
Para.
Beta.
Is this a meta directing group?
No,
No.
para and ortho. Sorry.
Para and
So ortho
ortho.
and para, yes. इसमें
This meta.
Ortho
Meta,
and
ma'am.
para.
give me one answer.
Ortho and para, no?
हाँ, can I say इसका hyper conjugation में इसका sigma electrons enter into ortho and para position.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
हाँ,
ma'am.
so ortho and para positions are negatively charged in hyper conjugation. So again यहाँ पर होगा ortho and para. In fact, toluene में nitration करते हैं तो क्या बनता है? Toluene में when we add nitrating mixture, what is nitrating mixture?
HNO3 and H2SO4.
You get the formation of
TNT.
TNT. And what is TNT?
Trinitro.
Nitro.
Yes, trinitrotoluene, which is used as an
Bomb.
yes, it's an explosive. So it is a very simple process where in toluene you add nitrating mixture. You get the formation of this explosive. You're not supposed to try this at all.
Ma'am, nitrating mixture again is HNO2 and HNO3.
H2SO4 and HNO3.
Okay, ma'am.
I had made you right, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. ठीक है, इसमें ऑर्थो पैरा होगा, इसमें
Meta.
हाँ, this is a meta directing group. So nitrobenzene का अगर नाइट्रेशन करेंगे तो I'll get meta dinitrobenzene. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you bring about nitration of nitrobenzene, you'll get meta dinitrobenzene. अच्छा, इसमें कहाँ पर होगा?
Meta.
हाँ, again meta. So इसका नाइट्रेशन करोगे तो you'll get meta nitrobenzaldehyde. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed?
Ma'am, 1 minute, we have to finish something.
Okay. Finished or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. इसमें I'm adding nitrating mixture. Come on, tell me where will NO2 plus attack?
C.
Which ring, left ring or
OCH3.
right ring?
Left.
Yes. Which position?
Meta.
Ortho.
Yes. Can I say it will go to ortho position with respect to oxygen and para position?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It won't go to this ring. Why it won't go to this ring?
Not
Low electron
aromatic.
density.
No
Yes,
electron
because
density.
यहाँ पर deactivating group है. Am I right? Aldehyde.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
इस ring में activating group है. So definitely here negative charge is moving. Here which charge is moving in this ring?
Pause.
Positive.
Positive. So it will go and attack the ortho and para. Major being the para one. आ रहा है ना समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just marking the positions where the electrophile NO2 plus will attack. Which ring?
Right
First
one.
one again. Left one.
First one.
Left or right? A or B?
Left. A.
A.
मैम B.
Reason you have to give.
मैम B में hyper conjugation है ना?
Very good.
A, there is more hyperconjugation.
More hyperconjugation.
Mean, not in
मैम A में
B.
नहीं है, B में है.
हाँ, so this will be the position. Got it? समझा कि नहीं?
मैम मेटा.
ये मेटा नहीं है ना, ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप है ना.
हम
ऑर्थो पे
ortho
नहीं
भी
जाएगा
जाएगा
कि
ना?
नहीं, रिपल्शंस होंगे ना एक्चुअली. यहाँ पर भी नहीं जाता है, रिपल्शन होता है. तो
Okay,
मेजर
ma'am.
पैरा ही
मैम
है.
बल्कि ग्रुप होएगा तो नहीं होएगा ना.
हाँ, नहीं होगा जब तक ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सपोजिंग अगर फिनॉल हम लेते हैं तो फिनॉल के ऑर्थो में इजीली जाता है वो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिपल्शन नहीं
Hydrogen
होता है,
bonding.
बिकॉज हियर देयर इज अट्रैक्शन. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this understood, all of you?
Yes.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What if I have a diphenyl ring or a biphenyl? इसमें अगर मैंने नाइट्रेटिक मिक्सचर ऐड किया तो
और कौन पैरा.
हाँ, can I say in this one ring is donating and one ring is withdrawing?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You remember I've done this in GOC.
Yes, ma'am.
In biphenyl, one ring donates and the other withdraws. It could be this donating and this withdrawing, or it could be the other way, this donating and this withdrawing. Supposing this is donating here, तो यहाँ पे चार्ज क्या क्रिएट होगा?
Negative.
Negative.
हाँ, फिर वो यहाँ से शिफ्ट होकर यहाँ पर आएगा. So which are the positions having negative charge?
Ortho para.
Ortho
So
Can
para.
I say here also the electrophile will attack these positions only? In fact, इसी position पे होता है, यहाँ पर भी नहीं होता है. Because इस position पे repulsion आता है एक group का. So it goes to this position.
इस
So
कोई भी
di-
रिंग पे जा सकता है ना.
हाँ, या तो ये ring या ring, both are same.
ओके मिस.
But the position will be this only, always. मतलब इसका पैरा ले लो या इसका पैरा ले लो.
मैम ऑर्थो पे क्यों नहीं?
ऑर्थो पे कहना है से ये रिंग का रिपल्शन होगा.
मैम
रिंग
पर
दोनों
parts-
ये रिंग दोनों प्लेनर है ना, तो कहना है से ये कार्बन और ये सब कार्बन एक ही प्लेन में है,
Yes.
तो यहाँ एक और ग्रुप आना लाइक रिपल्शंस होंगे यहाँ पे.
Okay, ma'am.
हो गया लिख के?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So first example of nitration I am done with. अच्छा, एक और चीज उसमें बाकी है. आइसोटोपिक इफेक्ट नहीं बताया ना मैंने.
No ma'am.
Mechanism of nitration, do you remember what I had done?
Yes ma'am.
In mechanism of nitration, I had shown you that. अच्छा, पहले तो NO2 बनता है. Am I right? That step I'll show you. How is NO2 formed? By the reaction of HNO3 with H2SO4. You get the formation of what? HSO4 minus NO2 plus and H2O. ये याद है, ये मैंने किया था.
Yes ma'am.
So NO2 plus is formed by the reaction of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Once this NO2 plus is formed, then the next step what will happen? There is a H here and NO2 plus is attacking. That NO2 plus will first cause an electromeric shift. Electromeric shift में क्या होगा? Positive charge generate होगा यहाँ पर.
Yes ma'am.
फिर ये resonance stabilize होगा. याद है मैंने अरीनियम आयंस किए थे.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, तो वो अरीनियम आयंस यहाँ पर बनेंगे और फाइनली क्या होगा? जब यहाँ प्लस आएगा ऐसे, then one of them has to leave. Which will leave, giving the electron pair?
H plus. H will leave.
ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर अंदर शिफ्ट होगा और H प्लस लीव करेगा and you get nitrobenzene. So in fact, how many steps are involved in this reaction? यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितने steps होगा?
2.
हाँ, एक तो attack of NO2 plus और दूसरा removal of H plus. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is say step 1 and this is step 2. Step 1 में attack of NO2 plus हो रहा है, step 2 में removal of H plus. Now in case of nitration of benzene or nitration of any aromatic system, the step 1 is the slowest step. And the step 2 is very fast. What did I say? The attack of NO2 plus here is a slow step, but the removal of H plus is a
Fast.
very fast step.
Very fast step.
Do you know what is a rate determining step? Have you heard about this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm just giving you a statement that in any reaction, the slowest step of a reaction is the rate determining step. RDS means rate determining step. Why do I say that the slowest step determines the rate of a reaction? You have a chapter named as chemical kinetics, which will be starting after equilibrium. अभी ionic चल रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ionic के
ma'am.
बाद sir will be starting chemical kinetics. There you will be studying all this. Okay. So in a given reaction, the slowest step is always going to determine the rate of the reaction. Means what? Okay, supposing a reaction is occurring in such a way that X is changing into Z, but this conversion takes place through two steps. X first changes into Y, which is a slow step, say taking place in 1 hour. And then Y finally immediately changes into Z. Y to Z, the reaction occurs in 1 second. Could you tell me which step here will determine the rate and why?
X to Y.
X to Y.
Why do I say that X to Y will determine the rate of the reaction?
Because it is the
Slowest step.
slowest step.
Why not Y to Z?
Rest time.
So less time means what? Could you explain this to me? That why do I say that the slowest step is the rate determining step?
Ma'am, because the majority of time is consumed in the slowest step.
Can I say this reaction X to Z will be completed in around 1 hour's time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say the reaction X to Z will occur in 1 second time? 1 second में हो जाएगा, मैं बोल सकती हूँ ये reaction के लिए?
नहीं.
नहीं.
हाँ, तो मैंने rate कैसे predict किया है?
Slowest step से.
Slow step से. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I can say ना कि approximately 1 घंटे में खत्म होगा ये reaction. मैं speed बता
Yes,
सकती हूँ कि
ma'am.
reaction will take place in 1 hour. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did I say the reaction will get completed in 1 second or something? Is it possible for this reaction to get completed in 1 second?
No.
No, ma'am.
Because can I say it is only the slow step which will determine the rate?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Let me take another example. Say conversion of A to C. Here first A gets converted into B. And the time taken for that supposing is 30 minutes. Then B changes into C. And the time taken for this conversion is 2 seconds. Now if I ask you to compare these two reactions, could you tell me which reaction will get over first?
A to C.
A to C.
What is the
To C.
reason for that?
Less time taken.
Because it's
Can I
approximately.
say the
Relatively less
slowest
time
step,
taken.
the
Slowest step
slowest
is
step for this reaction is
lesser
faster
time
than this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
slowest step for the conversion of A to C is faster than the slowest step of conversion of X to Z. That is why this reaction will get completed faster. I don't see the fast step क्योंकि इसके fast step में कितना time लग रहा है
2 seconds.
2
2
seconds.
और इसके fast step में कितना time लग रहा है
1
One
second.
8 seconds.
हाँ, तो fast step में इसके कम time लग रहा है. But then even in spite of that, I have said that this reaction will get over here faster. How could I say that?
This is slow step takes less time.
Yes, because can I say that Approximately this reaction will get over in half an hour,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
and
miss.
this reaction will approximately take 1 hour to occur.
1 hour.
Yes, miss.
All of you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
तो rate determining step हमेशा कौन सा होता है?
Slowest
Slowest
step.
step.
Slowest step.
All of you are clear with this concept?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Okay. So now if I take this same example जो ऊपर nitration का है, can I say I have made you write that the first step here, the attack of NO2 plus is the slowest step, and the removal of H plus is here is occurring in a
Fast step.
fast step. So if I take these compounds, what is D?
Deuterium.
Deuterium.
And what is T?
Tritium.
Tritium.
Okay. Can I say these are isotopes of hydrogen?
Yes.
This
Yes.
is protium, deuterium, and tritium. Am I right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
these three compounds, and to these three compounds, I'm adding nitrating mixture. Will they react with the same rate, or which one will react faster? See, I've told you that CH bond is always a weak bond as compared to CD and CT. Do you remember me telling you this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In fact, a CH bond is 7 times weaker than CD bond, and CT bond is 15 times stronger
Got
than a CH bond. The strongest bond किसका है?
CT.
CT.
हाँ,
CT.
which is 15 times stronger than a CH bond. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
And a CD bond is 7 times stronger than a CH bond. So now you have to tell me whether they'll react at the same rate or whether the rates of reaction will be different. I've told you the slowest step. Slowest step कौन सा है इसमें?
Attacking of
Attack
nucleophile.
of NO2 plus.
And the removal of H occurs in a fast step. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So would these three react at the same rate?
No.
Oh,
Yes.
If yes, then give me the reason. If no, then also give me the reason.
Yes, because it is the slowest step that determines the rate of a reaction. So
Yes, very
approximately
good.
they'll react in same time.
Excellent. Yes. So approximately the reaction will occur at the same time. Can I say the slowest step in the reaction here is involving the attack of NO2 plus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
So
ma'am.
NO2 plus इसको equal rate से attack करेगा. Supposing the attack of NO2 plus takes 1 hour to occur. So can I say इसमें भी 1 hour लगेगा, इसमें भी 1 hour लगेगा, इसमें भी 1 hour लगेगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the fast step involves what? The breaking of CH bond.
Yes.
तो supposing
Yes.
इसका CH bond breaking के लिए 1 second लगा है, तो CD bond break करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा?
7 seconds.
7 seconds. Very good. And CT bond break करने के लिए
15.
15 seconds.
seconds.
So can I say this reaction would be over approximately in 1 hour 1 second?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This will
miss.
be over in
7.
1
हाँ,
1 hour.
and this will be over in.
1 hour
1 hour
15
So
15
seconds.
can I say
seconds.
all the three reactions will be done almost in 1 hour?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
Yes.
Can I say approximately the rates are same?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So isotopic effect here is not going to matter. What do you mean by isotopic effect here will not play any role? That means if you replace the hydrogen with its isotopes also, can I say they are going to react almost with the same rate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So isotopic effect does not play any role in this nitration. Just make a note of this, what I have made you write. What I've written
Ma'am?
on the board. Yes.
Ma'am, NO2 will attack all of them for
Yes,
same
at the same
duration.
rate.
Why,
Because
ma'am?
none of them is giving electrons or donating electrons or taking away electrons from the benzene.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so rate of electrophilic substitution, the attack of NO2 plus will be same for all these three.
Okay. Ma'am, can you show the previous page also?
Are you done with this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, copy this also. Okay, are you done with this?
1 minute,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1 minute, please.
Okay, okay. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So nitration
ma'am,
is done. Now I'm proceeding to the second type of electrophilic substitution, that is sulfonation of benzene. Sulfonation of benzene. The first example I did was nitration of benzene, and second is sulfonation of benzene. This also is under electrophilic substitution. इसका नंबर क्या दिया था मैंने नाइट्रेशन का?
कोई नंबर दिया नहीं।
नाइट्रेशन
Ma'am,
1
one.
था, 1 था तो ये 2 है. So now let us see what happens here. Benzene plus H2SO4. Here you take concentrated H2SO4. You get the formation of benzene sulfonic acid.
Ma'am,
Follow?
ma'am, what decides that we have to use H2SO4 concentrated only and dilute does not do the job?
That is a very good question. I will explain it to you just now only. Fine. Let us see the mechanism. I'll tell you the difference here itself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the structure? Which is this compound which I have written here?
H2SO4.
Sulfonic acid.
This is H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Sulfuric acid plus sulfuric acid. What should happen? Acid-base reaction. I'm describing which reaction here.
autoprotolysis.
Autoprotolysis.
Yes. If this gives H plus अगर देगा तो बचेगा क्या इसमें से?
HSO4 minus.
SO4 minus.
हाँ. Now where will that H plus go? Can I say H plus will be attracted to the lone pair of oxygen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो protonation होगा इसका. एक बार protonation होगा. So give me the formal charge on that oxygen.
Positive.
Because of that, this OS bond will break. This electron pair will get transferred to oxygen. This will come out as what?
H2O.
H2O.
And along with that, what do I get? SO3H with what charge?
Negative.
Negative.
How negative?
Positive.
Positive.
ये electron pair ये लेके निकल रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this will get a positive charge. So this is an electrophile, the sulfonium ion. Okay. Electrophile. Sulfonium ion. Where will this electrophile go?
Benzene.
Yes, it will attack the benzene. And from the benzene, it will replace what?
H.
H plus. Got it? So can I classify this reaction as electrophilic substitution?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because can I say SO3H plus is replacing H plus here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now you had asked me a question that why I cannot use dilute sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid, acid base की तरह, it gives me SO3H plus. Will dilute sulfuric acid give me the same thing? If dilute sulfuric acid has to dissociate, it is going to give me what?
Plus.
H plus and HSO4 minus?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there the electrophile available is what?
HSO4 minus.
H plus.
H plus.
Plus.
So will it matter that H plus replacing the H plus from benzene?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So if you want to bring about sulfonation, you have to go for?
Concentrated.
Yes. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that H plus of the dilute H2SO4 won't attack the other H2SO4.
Which one?
Ma'am, in dilute H2SO4, it will give H plus and HSO4 minus.
Yeah.
And that H plus won't go to the other H2SO4 for autoprotolysis.
No, dilute में नहीं होता है वो. Dilute में it is just that H plus is going to water there forming hydronium ion. Well, I've done this in ionic equilibrium, my dear. If I'm using a solution of dilute sulfuric acid, means what ions are there present in that dilute sulfuric acid?
H plus and HSO4
H plus
minus.
is not there because that H plus is going to be gained by water, forming what?
No iron.
अरे ion होते हैं ना. My dear, how do you find out the pH of sulfuric acid solution?
Hydronium ion.
Hydronium ion concentration से करते हो ना आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
dilute sulfuric acid क्या करता है? Dilute sulfuric acid में sulfuric acid dissociates to give H plus to what? To water ना?
Yes.
यहाँ पर तो water है नहीं. Concentrated sulfuric acid means I'm saying it's approximately 98% sulfuric acid. So can I say the amount of water here is almost 2%, which is negligible?
Yes.
So here only it will undergo autoprotolysis to give you the electrophile that is SO3H plus. Can this reaction occur in water? Is my question to you. Here H2SO4 is giving its H plus to which atom?
H2.
To H2SO4 only. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
But if I have water, then H2SO4 will not give H plus to sulfuric acid. It will give its H plus to water. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because water will accept that H plus more readily as compared to H2SO4.
Yes, ma'am.
So there you'll have H3O plus and you'll have HSO4 minus. But this in autoprotolysis is going to give you what? It will give you SO3H plus. Electrophile generate करता है sulfuric acid concentrated. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the difference now?
हाँ, ma'am.
Okay. Now this process you can see is, what does this represent?
Reversible.
Okay. Could you define for me what is the reversible process?
Slow process.
हाँ, slow तो होता ही है. But what exactly is the reversible process?
The opposite reaction is also valid.
Yes, that means, can I say that means the driving force and the opposing force, The difference between the driving and the opposing force is very, very small.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll
Yes.
have done this statement, I think sir must have told you all already. The driving force means the reaction for it to occur on the right hand side. The product formation. And if the forward reaction. And if the opposing force here means I'm talking about the
Backward reaction.
yes.
Upward reaction.
Driving force, that is the forward reaction, and the opposing force, which is the backward reaction. If the difference between them, the driving force and the opposing force is very, very small, that means the driving force is approximately same as the opposing force. So can I say the process will be reversible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in this step, if you see here, I have written this step to be reversible in the mechanism. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
This tells you that the electrophilicity of SO3H plus is same as the electrophilicity of H plus. I repeat, the electrophilicity of SO3H plus is similar to that of H plus. That means if SO3H plus can replace H from the benzene, simultaneously what can happen?
H can
H
replace
plus can
Mole of H
replace.
plus.
Replace SO3H.
Yes, that is why the process is reversible. Understood this part?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
नाइट्रेशन में वैसा नहीं है. नाइट्रेशन में ये रिएक्शन रिवर्सिबल नहीं है, because the electrophilicity of NO2 plus is much higher than the electrophilicity of H plus. So can H plus ever replace NO2 plus?
No.
No, and that is why this reaction is irreversible. समझ में आ रहा है मैं जो बोल रही हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write it down. The reaction is reversible because the electrophilicity of SO3H is similar to that of H.
Could you repeat the statement?
The process is reversible because the electrophilicity of SO3H plus is similar to that of H plus.
Can you repeat the last part?
The process is reversible. This is because the electrophilicity of SO3H plus is similar to that of H plus. Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now in sulfonation of benzene, the rate determining step is the removal of H plus ions because H जल्दी निकलता नहीं है. और H जल्दी निकलता क्यों नहीं है यहाँ पर? क्योंकि ये electrophilicity इसका ज्यादा नहीं है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसको जल्दी replace नहीं कर पाता है. So that also you write down. In sulfonation, the rate determining step. In sulfonation, the rate determining step is the removal of H plus ions. There is a removal of H plus ions. So if I ask you between these three compounds, could you tell me which will react as the fastest rate? Or again, will their rates be same towards sulfonation?
Same.
Different this time
Different this time.
Could you explain me why?
because H plus will go out faster than D plus and then
If
T
H is
plus.
if H is going to go out in 1 hour, how many hours is this going to take?
7 hours.
7
And how
hours.
many hours is
15
this going
hours.
to take?
15.
15 hours.
So can I say this is going to be the order of reactivity?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, it is much higher. समझा? मतलब अगर CH bond को break होने में, can I say the CH bond will take some time because it is a slow step to occur? So if the slow step here is taking place in 1 hour, here the slow step will take place in approximately 7 hours. And here the slow step will take place approximately in 15 hours time. Is this understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
is the order towards sulfonation. Can I say here isotopic effect is very dominant?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So this is for sulfonation, and write it down that isotopic effect is dominant here.
Miss, can you repeat the statement in sulfonation? The rate determining step is
The removal of H plus ions. And hence isotopic effect is dominant. And hence isotopic effect is dominant. And then write down this order which I have given. Did you all finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So nitration sulfonation I have covered. Next is halogenation. Halogenation of benzene. In nitration, I was introducing nitro group on the benzene. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sulfonation, I was introducing sulfonic acid group. So halogenation
Hmm.
में क्या introduce करेंगे?
Halogens.
Halogens.
Benzene when treated with a halogen in presence of aluminium chloride. You can use any Lewis acid catalyst. What do you mean by Lewis acid?
Electron
What is a
donor.
Lewis acid?
Electron acceptors.
Yes, electron pair acceptor. You can use aluminium chloride, FeCl3, Fe, or you can use SnCl2. All these are electrophiles. They act as electrophiles. So we are using them as a catalyst. You get the formation of chlorobenzene along with HCl. Can I classify this reaction as a substitution reaction?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us see how the process is an electrophilic substitution. I'm taking chlorine and to this I'm adding aluminium chloride, or you can go for FeCl3, Fe, SnCl2. You can add any of these. Can I say aluminium chloride has an incomplete octet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this needs electrons for octet completion.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And chlorine is a non-polar molecule. Is it polar or non-polar?
Non-polar.
Polar.
Non-polar, because dipole moment 0 hoga, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So because of this aluminium chloride, the chlorine molecule here will break heterolytic. It will break into, say this electron pair will get transferred to Cl. What charge will develop on this?
Negative.
So
Minus.
that negatively charged chlorine will carry the electron pair to aluminium. It will take the electron pair to aluminium and form a bond with it. Because of that, what charge will this develop? Aluminum develop.
Zero.
Aluminum के पास वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने होने चाहिए?
8.
8.
अरे एल्यूमिनियम के पास
Five.
वैलेंस
3.
3 होते हैं ना,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
यहाँ पर कितने हैं?
4.
तो चार्ज
Minus
बताओ.
One.
Plus
हाँ, फॉर्मल चार्ज
Minus.
आएगा
minus one, sorry.
हाँ, so Cl minus has gone to aluminum to form a bond. Can I say इसका octet complete हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और बचा क्या साथ में?
Cl
It
plus.
is
Cl plus.
plus.
So can I say this is the electrophile?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the
Yes, ma'am.
chloronium ion, which is an electrophile. So what is the role of aluminum chloride here? To generate the electrophile. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What will this electrophile do now? It will attack the benzene
Attack.
and replace.
H plus.
H
हाँ.
plus.
Finally, ये जो H plus निकला है, can I say that H plus will again react with AlCl4 minus and take back what? Take back the
Chlorine.
Cl, forming HCl, and along with that, what else you get?
AlCl.
So can I say this is regenerated back?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can I classify this reaction as electrophilic substitution?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, because Cl plus, which is an electrophile, is replacing H plus. Tell me.
Ma'am, if we don't add a catalyst, then also the reaction will occur, but slow, right?
Yes, that means if I don't add aluminum chloride, how will the reaction occur? Can I say ये दोनों को mix किया तो collision तो होगा दोनों के बीच में?
Yes, miss.
तो collision के दौरान can I say chlorine पहले तो non polar है, but the chlorine atom जैसे ही इसके साथ collide करेगा, benzene is a molecule of high electron density.
Yes, miss.
So the atom of chlorine, which is going to actually come closer to this high electron density, that will start withdrawing the electrons by causing the electromagnetic effect. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, miss.
और ये दूसरा immediately will come out as what?
Chromium ion.
Cl minus.
Cl minus. Oh, हाँ.
तो basically
Okay.
attack कौन कर रहा है benzene पे?
Chromium ion. Electrophile. Cl plus.
But ये process बहुत slow होगा because this is non-polar ना? तो
Yes,
benzene
miss.
को इसको polarize करना पड़ेगा, and that is why we add a strong electrophile here. The strong electrophile added here is what?
Lewis acid.
Air.
This Lewis acid, which will immediately break this into Cl plus and Cl minus. Got it?
Yes, miss.
तो इसके साथ स्पीड फास्ट हो जाता है, वो नहीं ऐड करोगे तो भी होगा, बट बेंजीन को इसको पोलराइज करना पड़ेगा. Got it?
Yes, miss. Got it. Thank you.
Have you finished writing this?
Just 1 minute, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, all of you have completed, no?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Devika, why we use anhydrous aluminum chloride? Because if I take little bit of moisture also, the aluminum chloride is going to react with water, giving you this complex. And this complex जो बनेगा, this complex is not going to behave as a electrophile. So water के साथ aluminum chloride react करता है. So we have to use anhydrous form. Anhydrous मतलब क्या?
उसका water of
moisture
crystallization
free.
नहीं है.
हाँ, so anhydrous form is to be used here. अगर hydrate form होगा या water होगा तो ये reaction होके this is not going to behave as an electrophile. तो useless होगा ये add करना, समझा?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now for chlorination also the rate determining step is the attack of Cl plus and not of the removal of H plus. So if I take benzene, benzene with deuterium and benzene with tritium, can I say they react at the same rate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for halogenation, the isotopic effect doesn't play a dominant role until and unless the what you say halogenation is carried out by iodine. क्योंकि iodine में क्या होता है? When I bring about the same reaction with iodine, then the process is found to be what? What does this tell you?
A reverse.
That also tells you that the electrophilicity of I plus and H plus is
Same.
Nearly
similar.
same.
So can I say here the rate determining step will be the removal of H plus by I plus?
Yes, most.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
तो यहाँ पर जो rate determining step है, it is again removal of H plus ions. So again in this, can I say C6H6 will react faster than C6D6?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the order of rate of reaction towards not all
Chlorination.
halogenations. It is only towards
Hi.
iodination of benzene. Got it? Because all
Yes.
the other remaining halogens, Cl plus and Br plus, they are stronger electrophiles than benzene. Sorry, they are stronger electrophiles than H plus. It is only I plus which has the electrophilicity same as that of H plus.
Ma'am, the RDS for the other halogens is the.
Attack of halonium ion on the
Oh.
ring.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, for other halogens, it will be different, right?
Yeah, it will be. Nee, what will be different?
The order of RDA.
It will be
RDS.
similar, na? For all the other halogens, the rate will be same for this, approximately.
Okay, ma'am.
Why will that happen? क्योंकि इसमें
Slowest
rate
step is same for all.
हाँ, क्योंकि can I say इसमें rate determining step is not the removal of H. इसमें rate determining step कौन सा होगा? Chlorination or bromination में?
Attacking
Lowest
off.
step.
Yes, the attack of Cl
Yeah,
plus or Br plus on the aromatic system. Got it?
मैम फ्लोरीन के साथ नहीं होता है?
Fluorine can never form F plus. Could you give me the reason why?
Highly electronegative.
I say fluorine is the most electronegative atom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can
Yes,
never
ma'am.
give you F plus. Okay. तो fluorination अगर करना है benzene का तो you cannot do it by this reaction. You have to go through some other process which we'll be doing later on. Yes, Harshita, here also will be using anhydrous only. Aluminum chloride अगर use करना है तो anhydrous form में ही use करना है. Even FeCl3 also has to be used in anhydrous form. सारे लुईस एसिड कैटलिस्ट को एनहाइड्रस फॉर्म में ही लिया जाता है.
Can you repeat the statement? RDS for halogen is the attack of.
For chlorine, rate determining step for chlorination and bromination is the attack of Cl plus.
Miss,
But
thank
for
you.
iodination, it is the removal of H plus. Have you all understood this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next example you take again. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation में क्या करेंगे? Nitration, we introduce nitro group on the benzene. Sulfonation, we introduce sulfonic acid on the benzene. Halogenation, we introduce halogen on the benzene. So alkylation will do what?
Alkyl group.
Alkyl group.
Alkyl
Yes, so
group.
here we are going to introduce alkyl group on the benzene. Samjha?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Friedel-Crafts is the name of the chemist who performed this reaction. So benzene, when treated with an alkyl halide, again this reaction is carried out in presence of a Lewis acid catalyst. So you have to use anhydrous AlCl3 और F, जो वहां पे यूज किया है यहाँ पर भी कर सकते हो. SnCl2 भी यूज कर सकते हैं. You get the formation of this compound. इसका नाम बताओ.
Methyl benzene.
Methyl benzene, also known as toluene. Toluene. Toluene बोलते हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say halogenation में chlorine तो polar नहीं था, but can I say this molecule is polar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Where is the delta plus and where is the delta minus?
CH3 delta plus.
And aluminum chloride is a Lewis acid. So Lewis acid will demand for electrons. How would you expect this bond to break?
Electrolytic.
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 Yes, who will take away the electron pair?
Cl.
The Cl.
Cl minus will take the electron pair to what charge here?
Negative.
Negative.
और साथ में क्या बनेगा?
H plus.
CH3 plus.
CH.
So what is the electrophile here?
Methyl.
CH3. Carbocation.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now this carbocation will do what? It will attack the benzene and replace one hydrogen of the benzene. Samjha?
Yes, ma'am.
Finally, this H plus will again go back to AlCl4 minus, take back the Cl, forming HCl and AlCl3. So aluminum chloride again is regenerated back.
Ma'am, electrophile is carbocation, right?
Yeah, the electrophile here is the carbocation. लिख के हो गया?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the electrophile in this reaction? Friedel-Crafts alkylation.
Carbocation.
Okay. So now I'm going to give you some examples of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, which you have to give me the products. But remember, the intermediate here is a carbocation. तो carbocation है तो क्या याद रखना है आपको?
Stability of it.
Rearrangements याद है? Rearrangements करवाए थे. कुछ याद है या नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am.
Rearrangement मतलब वो hydride shift, alkyl shift याद आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So as to form a more stable carbocation. So don't forget that. जब भी intermediate carbocation होता है, you have to look on the adjacent carbon. Have I told you this or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these examples I'm giving you, you have to give me the products of the reaction.
मैम सब में HCl बनेगा ना?
हाँ वो तो बाई प्रोडक्ट है. Complete all these reactions. I'll give you 5 minutes or 7 minutes, I think. Sufficient. Do it fast. Did you all complete all of them? Yes or no?
Ma'am, almost done.
Okay. Okay, I'm writing down the products. Just check your answers. In the first one, did you all get ethyl benzene?
Yes, ma'am.
HCl is the byproduct. No, I'm not writing everywhere. I'll just write it here. HCl is the byproduct. इसमें did you get isopropyl benzene?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You did the
ma'am.
hydride shift, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The 1 degree you'll have to rearrange to 2 degree and get this as the product. आया है कि नहीं आया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Isopropyl benzene is also known as cumene. Okay, it is also known as cumene. The next one. Did you get tertiary butyl benzene?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें भी hydride shift किया होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. इसमें you'll get a mixture of ortho and paraxylene.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got this?
Yes.
This is known as orthoxylene and that is known as paraxylene. I'm not writing paraxylene. I don't have space here. अच्छा, इसमें क्या मिला? Is it visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You'll get diphenyl methane. Did you get this? No.
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 I knew that. Okay. So how did I get diphenyl methane here? I'll explain it to you all. देखो यहाँ ध्यान दो अब. In the first step, can I say CH2Cl2 will react with AlCl3, giving you CH2 plus Cl and AlCl4 minus?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this will go and attack the benzene ring. And do what? Can I say it will replace one of the hydrogen?
Yes, ma'am.
Where will this H plus go now?
ALC.
Giving you back what? Sorry. Giving you back aluminum chloride?
Yes, ma'am.
कैन आई से एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड वापस बना है और प्रोडक्ट ये बना है, बट कैन आई से दिस इज आल्सो पोलर?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it polar? Because there is delta
Dipole
plus
moment
delta
zero.
minus,
Relativity difference.
and aluminum chloride अभी भी है, so it will not leave this, no? This will break the chlorine again. Will it leave it?
No.
Giving you a carbocation. Now this carbocation will do what? Go and attack another benzene. And from benzene it will replace one of the hydrogen. Giving you diphenyl methane. Again this H plus will go with AlCl4 minus, giving you HCl and AlCl3. तो अभी AlCl3 बचेगा और ये बचेगा. Is this polar? Is this
Yes.
molecule?
No.
नहीं, only carbon bonds are there, no? Is it polar to give an
No, miss.
negative charge to aluminum chloride?
No.
So reaction will stop here. So this is the product of the reaction. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So write the product as diphenyl methane. Did you all finish writing this mechanism?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Finished, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Could you tell me the product for this then?
Triphenyl methane.
Yes, here you'll get triphenyl methane. Have all of you understood कैसे बनेगा ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Repeatedly वो Cl निकलेगा और उसकी जगह बेंजीन आएगा. यहाँ पर क्या expected है?
Tetra.
नहीं, टेट्राफिनाइल तो नहीं बनेगा यहाँ पर. You are going to get this. इसमें से जब फोर्थ Cl निकल जाएगा तो आगे रिएक्शन नहीं जाएगा. This only will be the product. And AlCl4 minus. Why this will be the product? Can I say this is very stable? This carbocation is very stable.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You remember this is triphenyl methyl, which has 10 resonating structures.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a very stable carbocation. This doesn't react further. Okay? So though we expect here the fourth ring also to come, but yet it doesn't react further. And what is the reason for that?
Stable.
Already
carbocation.
stable that is.
Yes. यहाँ पे कुछ मिला इन तीनों में? इसमें क्या मिला?
मैम कोई भी Cl निकल सकता है.
और एक को छोड़ दिया?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'll show it to you. What will happen? This is the product obtained. Could anybody think how I got this? Okay, pay attention now. I'm doing the mechanism. When you're adding aluminum chloride, can I say aluminum chloride will first take away one of the Cl?
Yes, ma'am.
तो यहाँ से भी जा सकता है, यहाँ से भी. It won't matter कहीं से भी जाए क्योंकि कार्बोकटाइन तो सेम मिलेगा. Supposing this Cl goes out with AlCl3, I'm going to get this carbocation. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this will go and attack the benzene ring, and from benzene, can I say it will replace one of the hydrogen?
Yes, ma'am.
Till here, have you understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now again, this H plus will go where? It will go with AlCl4 minus, giving you back AlCl3.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say AlCl3 will react with this also because this is also still polar?
Yes.
So this also, one of the other Cl also will be removed now, forming the second carbocation. Okay. Now pay attention on what I'm saying. Now this carbocation has two options. Either to go and attack another benzene ring. तो यहाँ पर एक और benzene आ जाएगा. Or the other possibility is to attack this ring itself. Will it prefer attacking another benzene or attacking this ring itself?
This
Ring,
is
the ring.
itself.
What is the reason?
It won't be polar then.
No, this is if it attacks another benzene, then also it won't be polar. Which ring will be more electron dense? A benzene ring or this ring?
Benzene.
Can I say this ring will have hyperconjugation due to available of this hydrogen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hyperconjugation will occur in which position?
Ortho.
Ortho and para, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
this will prefer forming which membered ring? So this will go and attack here because this position is electron dense. यहाँ से वो H plus को replace करेगा. And how many membered ring will be formed?
6.
6 membered, no? There is a CH2 here, CH2 here. Then the CH is attacking here. So कितने membered ring बना है ये? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Will it prefer 6 membered or will it prefer 8 membered ring?
6.
Because can I say 6 membered rings are the most stable of all the
Yes,
ring
ma'am.
system? Did you understand what I have done?
Yes, ma'am.
When intramolecular reactions are possible, then the molecule doesn't prefer intermolecular. Means what? Here, can I say the carbocation can attack the same molecule itself?
Yes, ma'am.
The other possibility was carbocation going attacking another benzene molecule. So that would be intermolecular reaction.
Yes.
Yes,
You know the
ma'am.
difference between inter and intra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Inter
Yes.
means between hota hai, between two molecules, intermolecular. And intramolecular means?
Inside the molecule.
Yes. Can I say if this has to go and react with another benzene? That means there now, अच्छा इसमें कितने particles join हुए हैं? 2 particles already joined है. एक benzene है और एक ये alkyl group joined है उसमें.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो, pay attention. Can I say for forming of this, these two have joined together?
Yes, ma'am.
The 2 molecules have become one.
Yes.
If one more benzene has to come, can I say then it will be the combination of 3 molecules to become one?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 molecules becoming 1. What will happen to the entropy of the system? If large number of particles combine to form a single particle, won't the entropy become very less?
Yes, miss.
So here can I say the delta S will tend to become negative? और delta S अगर negative होगा तो delta G का क्या होगा?
Positive.
हाँ, so can I say this will be non-spontaneous?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will not prefer to decrease its entropy by combining with one more benzene molecule. Rather, it will prefer attacking itself to form a cyclic system which is more stable. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, all of you? I want that answer from all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So thermodynamically, this will prefer attacking here only rather than going for another benzene. Because another benzene की तरफ गया तो delta S उसका negative हो जाएगा, जिसके वजह से delta G positive हो जाएगा. So that will prefer instead to attack itself. Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
No, miss.
Can I proceed with the next? I'll just complete these reactions and then I'll leave them. Okay. कितने में तक था वैसे क्लास?
3:30.
1.5 hour हो गया ना? I think.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
Yes,
ठीक है.
miss.
Just let me complete those 2 reactions. Then I'll leave them. Fine. This part is done, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one was this. Could you tell me now what can happen here? See, I'll write down the product and you tell me what have I done in that. This is the product here. Anyone would tell me the mechanism here? One of you?
Due to
it
due to hydrogen shift, carbon will second degree carbocation will be
हाँ,
formed.
can I say first जब Cl निकलेगा primary carbocation बनेगा?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then there'll be a hydride shift giving you which carbocation?
Secondary.
2 degree.
Will it undergo another hydride shift?
No.
No
No.
need.
Because 2 degree के से 2 degree नहीं बनता है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो hydride shift होने के बाद carbocation यहाँ बनेगा. What will that carbocation do?
It will
Attack
attach to
ortho.
the
Can I say it
ring.
will attack the ortho position because benzene है यहाँ पर.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Because दो available hydrogen है for hyperconjugation. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down this as the product. Did you all finish this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Now I'm going for the last one. Did you get anybody last one? Did you all get anyone? I'm asking you.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Sakshi, this is the last reaction I'm doing. So I'm giving you the product. You tell me how this has happened.
The carbocation attaches itself to another benzene ring.
Yes. Can I say सबसे पहले ये कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा? When Cl goes out,
Yes, ma'am.
it benzene तो मैंने ऐड नहीं किया है. So can I say it will attack another molecule
No.
of this compound?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
इसमें available hydrogen है कितने हैं?
2.
तो hyper conjugation होगा. Where will the electron density increase? On which position?
Ortho para.
So this carbocation will go and attack the ortho position here. So I got this. This is understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This will again react with aluminum chloride. It will remove the Cl. Again giving you a carbocation. Can I say this ring is activated because of these available hydrogen here?
Yes, ma'am.
Which position is activated? Ortho and para? But
Yes.
this will prefer attacking which position?
Ortho.
Because of the 6-membered ring being formed. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So all of you have understood this mechanism?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me once you're done.
मैम वो लास्ट स्टेप आप एक्सप्लेन करो ना.
Last step मतलब यहाँ से?
When the CH2 finally attacks, वापस.
हाँ, can I say this ring is activated because of these available hydrogen here?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Hyper conjugation.
हाँ, तो ऑर्थो पैरा पे ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे
Yes.
हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी है ना, तो दिस विल अटैक हियर.
Okay, ma'am.
सुहानी MHT CET को टाइम है ना अभी बच्चा? MHT CET is still you have see MHT CET is based only on 12th standard syllabus. You don't have 11th standard at all in that. So what you can do is just do your 12th standard syllabus nicely. You don't have to do anything of the 11th standard because only 12th standard का syllabus आता है MHT CET में. Okay. So for those who are done with can leave. So what you can do is, as of now, I don't think we have started with 12th standard chapters because organic में भी अभी 12th शुरू नहीं हुआ है. And even physical, I think physical the next chapter, that means after ionic equilibrium, sir would start with chemical kinetics. That is the first chapter of 12th standard. Okay. So chemical kinetics जैसे ही हो जाता है, what you can do is you can buy this book Target Publications का. Target Publications is a very good book. It has good MCQs for MHT CET and practice questions from Target Publications. Fine. So that you can go chapter wise. जैसे जैसे 12th के chapters अभी शुरू होंगे, एक एक chapter करके you can solve it from that.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
do you get good colleges based on MHT CET?
Yes, of course, of course. Why not? You know, DY Patil. DY Patil is a very good college. Then even
VJTI.
VJTI, yes. Then even which one? ये जो है ना ICT.
ICT no miss.
ICT.
Ma'am, COAP.
हाँ, there also. So there are very good colleges based on your CET.
But ma'am, the cutoff is very high, right?
Very high, yes. So out of 200, your cutoff for getting it in these colleges should be around more than 192. Yes,
CS
Target
branch,
Publications
right?
is a very good book.
Ma'am, what about Marvel publication?
Even Marvel is good, but take only one book. Don't go beyond one book. Okay. Pace will give you lots of practice. In the end of the 12th, at the end of your what you say,
End
board
of the year.
exams. Board exams के बाद we give a practice for the CET.
मैम आप प्रीवियस पेज दिखाओ ना जिसमें आपने 6th वाला एक्सप्लेन किया था.
हाँ.
मैम इससे भी पहले था आई थिंक.
इससे पहले कहाँ था? ये वाला?
हाँ नहीं मैम हो गया वही नेक्स्ट वाला.
ओके ओके. ठीक है. Done all of you?
Yes,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So one more reaction is remaining for electrophilic substitution that I'll take up in the next class and start with nucleophilic substitution. Fine. So
Okay,
one,
ma'am.
just remind me that the last reaction I did was Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, bye all of you. I'm ending the class now.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chalo, bye.